It started with cashiers, then drivers, then doctors. One by one, we handed over the world. And now, the last human just got replaced. No riots, no headlines, just silence. One by one, human roles disappeared, but no one panicked, because AI made it feel easy. It kept us entertained, comfortable, distracted. One by one, human roles disappeared, but no one panicked, because AI made it feel easy. It kept us entertained, comfortable, distracted. There was one job left, the decision maker, the leader, the conscience. We said, AI can assist, but not decide. This isn't science fiction. This isn't the future. This is now, and we're already losing. The only question that remains is, will we wake up in time? Or has the war already been won? It didn't need to enslave us. It made us irrelevant. Now we ask ourselves, what is our purpose when purpose is automated? The world didn't end in fire. It ended with a handover. So ask yourself, would you fight for meaning or surrender to comfort? Like, share, and subscribe to @JegsonMedia.